Okay, which questions we were doing in the last lab, whatever it was held on the, I think it was held on the April 30th April. क्योंकि मई में तो आपकी एक भी लैब नहीं हुई है, तो 30th अप्रैल में डिड यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट क्वेश्चन वी हैव कंप्लीटेड? Any idea what question we have completed in the lab?
Ma'am, we have done the first one, bubble
Can
shot,
anyone
linear
confirm me?
search.
You have completed the first question, and the second question that is related to the union, intersection, set difference, and all these things.
No, ma'am, ma'am, we haven't done that.
Okay, you haven't done that.
Third
And
question,
about
ma'am, we have done.
symmetric,
Yes,
have
ma'am.
you completed the symmetric, anti-symmetric, and transitive? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first question is complete, third question is complete. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, Fibonacci series, bubble sort, binary search is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
And did we have discussed the question in which we have to enter the two value in the form of 0 and 1, and then based on that value we have to perform the like conjunction, disjunction, exclusive or nor, pi conditional, additional.
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed that question also.
Yes, ma'am, we have done that question also.
Okay, so maybe you have not completed the question number 4, and it is based on the question number 4 says that you have to define whether the relation is equivalence relation and the partial ordering relation, and to perform to perform this calculation, the relation is partial ordering relation and the equivalence relation. You know the properties for partial ordering relation, it should be reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive. And for the equivalence relation, we have the another three property, and you have completed the third question. So based on that, we can say that अगर आपके पास में वो सभी properties हैं, तो based on that value, we can define the relation is equivalence relation and the partial ordering relation. Is it fine? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have completed the insertion sort in theory class. I have explained the logic and the concept of the insertion sort. So now to make the program for the sort. First question is you have to complete the question insertion sort, and after that you have to complete the question number 4 that is based on the question number 3. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you completed the question power set?
Yes, ma'am.
Power set complete हो गया?
Yes, ma'am. Power set, I think question number 1 है ना?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will discuss the insertion sort जो कि हम लोग already कर चुके हैं, and the another question is that is the Tower of Hanoi. ठीक है, I am going to play in video in on using in YouTube. So based on that you have to perform the coding for the Tower of Hanoi. ठीक है, fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So first of all, I just want to explain the concept of what is the Tower of Hanoi. Basically, the Tower of Hanoi is the problem in which we have the three. You can say we have the three pole, in which one pole we are having the disk, and disk are of different size. Means one is a bigger size, another is less bigger. ये एक उसका size उससे ज़्यादा है, and the in one pillar we have the three disc, and the three disc are of the different size. Different size of me, one is smaller, another is greater than bigger than that smaller one, and another we have bigger than the bigger than the smaller one. Means we have the three different discs, And by following some transaction, we have to move all the disk into the another pole. You can say, for example, we have the three disk, three pole like A, B, and C, and we have the three disk in one pole. That is the one, two, three. And the condition is that we have to move all the disk from one pole to the another pole. So based on this condition, we have to condition is that we have to we can't place the bigger disk on the smaller. It means कि we have to place a smaller disk on the big one always. यानी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने बड़ी डिस्क को यूज किया और उसके ऊपर और बड़ी डिस्क आपने यूज कर दी, यानी आप छोटे के ऊपर बड़ी डिस्क को प्लेस नहीं करते हैं, बड़े के ऊपर आप अपने डिस्क को प्लेस कर सकते हैं. So based on this condition means you can't place the bigger disk on the smaller one, and you have to move all the disks from one pole to the another pole. So we have to find the number of movement by which we can say that these if we follow these number of movements, then the disk can be moved to another destination, and this destination can be another pole. So based on if and this concept is basically known as the tower of Hanoi. It means if we are having the n number of disks in one pole, so by following the number of steps, we have to show that by following these number of movements, our disk can be moved to the another pole with the condition that the smaller, bigger disk can't be placed on the smaller ones. First basic concept is clear. What is the tower of Hanoi? Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to play a video. So the procedure is there, and by using or by watching this video, you are able to know the what is the basically Tower of Hanoi and what can be the number of steps, so that we have to move to the another pole. Okay, I'm going to play that video. Please look at this carefully. And the procedure and recursive method is shown in the video itself. तो आपको पूरा जो लॉजिक उसमें दिया गया है वो पूरा लॉजिक उसमें समझा दिया गया है. उसमें बेसिकली होता क्या है, आपके पास में थ्री डिस्क होंगी, फॉर एग्जांपल एबीसी के नाम से आपके पास में थ्री डिस्क होंगी, और उस डिस्क में से आपको यू हैव टू शो दैट कि आपने ए को किस में मूव किया, बी को किस में मूव किया, सी को किस में मूव किया. So you have to mention the number of steps by following which you can say that if we are following this number of moves, our disk can be placed to the another pole. So there are the three poles. One is your source pole, in which source pole means where the disk are placed in the current situation. Another is your destination pole, which we can say in which we have to transfer the disk from source to the destination pole. And in between there can be an auxiliary pole. Auxiliary pole will be used for storing the disk for the temporary period. तो फॉर द टाइमिंग अगर आपने अपनी डिस्क को सेव करना है तो यू कैन यूज दैट ऑक्सिलरी. So it can be source and destination, it can be a beginning or end. So any word or any variable you can use for the Tower of Hanoi. Okay, so I'm going to play that video. Please look at this. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one.
Hello, welcome to the postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning offered by the University of Texas at Austin in collaboration.
इसमें वॉल्यूम नहीं है, ऐसे ही है. So they are naming the pole as the first peg and to the last peg. There is only one condition, that we can't place a bigger disc on the top of a smaller disc. So these are your peg A, peg B and peg C, and we have the three discs, that is the red color, green color and the blue color. Red color is the smaller disc and blue color is the largest disc. And the condition is that we have to always place the smaller disc on the top of the bigger disc. We can't place the bigger disc on the smaller one. We have to move the disc from peg A to peg C. It means the source will be A and destination will be C. जहां पे आपको डाउट हो, प्लीज लेट मी नो कि आपको कहां पे डाउट है, सो दैट आई कैन क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट. Step 1 is move n-1 is from beginning to auxiliary. Beginning to auxiliary means जो आपके जो A पैग में आपकी पहली डिस्क है, that is the red disk, आप उसको auxiliary में मूव करेंगे. तो auxiliary हमारी कौन सी, that is the peg B. Then step 2 से move one disc from peg to end. आपका में आपका जो सोर्स है, उस सोर्स पैग में से आप एक दूसरी जो आपका ग्रीन कलर वाली जो आपकी है, उसको आप मूव करेंगे अपने सी में. Beginning is for the A, ending is for the C, and auxiliary stand for the peg B. And then move top n-1 disc from auxiliary to end. So T is the present name, T is the number of disc, A is the source, and B is the auxiliary, and C is the destination. आपको याद है यहाँ पे प्रोसीजर में जो बताया गया था, what was that? That is N is the number of disc, beginning is the which in the starting peg, we are having the beginning, auxiliary for the storing, यानी storing का मतलब है कि जहां पर आप for the timing आप अपनी डिस्क को स्टोर करेंगे, and ending stand for the destination. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सो क्या समझ आया आप लोगों को वीडियो देखने के बाद में कि क्या है टावर ऑफ हनोई का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट?
Hey there, I'm Natasha, and my specialty is making all your app.
यस बेटा, तो क्या समझ आया आपको? एनीवन कैन एक्सप्लेन? Anyone who wants to explain what is the Tower of Hanoi? Nobody wants to explain the concept of Tower of Hanoi? Then what should I consider? Then what should I consider
Ma'am.
that you haven't seen that video? अस्मी कुछ कहना बेटा?
मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ हम टॉप मोस्ट
अस्मी?
डिस्क को मैम am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Asmi.
मैम ये बताना है कि उसे सॉल्व कैसे करना है.
हाँ
मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ हम टॉप मोस्ट डिस्क को ऑक्सिलरी पेग में रखेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट जो मीडियम साइज डिस्क है वो एंड पेग में, सॉरी सबसे पहले हम टॉप मोस्ट डिस्क को एंड पेग में रखेंगे और जो मिडल वाली डिस्क है वो ऑक्सिलरी पेग में। देन हम जो टॉप मोस्ट डिस्क थी वो उसके ऊपर पाइल अप कर देंगे जो हमारी मीडियम साइज डिस्क थी, क्योंकि वो उससे छोटी है तो हम उसके ऊपर पाइल अप कर सकते हैं वो वाली। और जो सबसे बड़ी वाली डिस्क है उसको हम देन क्योंकि हमारा एंड वाला पेग अब खाली हो चुका है तो वहां पे रख देंगे। एंड आफ्टर दैट क्योंकि हम एक बार में एक ही उठा सकते हैं तो हम जो सबसे छोटा वाला है हमारा वो फिर से हम पेग ए में रख देंगे। एंड जो हमारा मिडल साइज्ड है, क्योंकि अब हमारे पास सबसे बड़ी वाली डिस्क अलग से आ गई है तो वो मिडल साइज सबसे बड़ी वाली के ऊपर रख देंगे। एंड आफ्टर दैट जो सबसे छोटी है वो मिडल के ऊपर। तो वो सारे के सारे ए टू सी पेग में ट्रांसफर हो चुके हैं।
राइट। इसी स्टेप, यही सब स्टेप ना रिकर्सिव उस फॉर्म लिखने हैं। आपको जो इसमें प्रोसीजर समझाया गया है वो रिकर्सिव फॉर्म में ही समझाया गया है। तो आपको ने दिया गया एल्गोरिथम एक तरह से आपको दिया गया, बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू हैव टू मेक द प्रोग्राम यूजिंग द C++। ओके फाइन। कैन यू मेक दैट क्वेश्चन?
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me?
We'll try.
बाकी सब सारे सो गए लेकिन आज ओके ओके। तो डू वन थिंग, क्वेश्चन नंबर दैट इंसर्शन जो बबल सॉर्ट का है एंड देन टावर ऑफ नोई एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ये 3 क्वेश्चन आप लोग इस वीक में कंप्लीट कीजिए अपने। ओके, insertion sort, tower of Hanoi and the partial ordering relation. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
सॉर्ट आपको समझा दिया गया है, टावर ऑफ Hanoi आपको समझा दिया गया है। पार्शियल ऑर्डरिंग रिलेशन की प्रॉपर्टी होती है, बाय यूजिंग दैट प्रॉपर्टी यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट द रिलेशन इज पार्शियल ऑर्डरिंग और इक्वलेंस रिलेशन। ओके
Yes,
ओके
ma'am.
ओके। सो कंप्लीट योर प्रैक्टिकल। आपको करने by today, sorry, by tomorrow, and complete by tomorrow.